So it's the end of the day. My filming batteries have given up on me, so I'm passing us over to Ed and his helmet cam for the rest of this journey.
Last push. Stop it. Last bit of day 2. Alright, fucking gorgeous. Oh, tune.
So after a full day exploring some of the Lake District's most famous mountain passes, we've saved one of the very best rides until the very last. This final route takes us from the beautiful village of Pooley Bridge along the shores of Ullswater through the picturesque landscape villages of Glenridding and Patterdale before climbing towards the legendary Kirkstone Pass. But that's not where the adventure ends. From the summit we'll be tackling the struggle, one of the steepest and most challenging roads in the Lake District, descending into the bustling town of Ambleside, combining lakeside scenery, mountain roads, sweeping bends, dramatic climbs and breathtaking views. This is a route that perfectly captures everything that makes riding in the Lake District so special. So settle in, enjoy the ride and join us on one last adventure through one of Britain's greatest motorcycling destinations. The Pooley Bridge sits at the northern end of Ullswater and has been welcoming travellers for centuries. The village takes its name from the River Ermont, which flows out of Ullswater on its journey towards the Eden Valley. Now this area is often considered the gateway to the eastern Lake District. Ullswater is England's second largest lake, stretching for almost 8 miles through the surrounding mountains. Now, unlike the busier Windermere, Ullswater has managed to retain a quieter, more remote atmosphere. Now, the shape of the lake was carved by glaciers during the last ice age more than 10,000 years ago. And 10,000 years on, as roads go, it doesn't get much better than this. Water on one side, mountains on the other. Glenridding grew during the 18th and 19th centuries as a lead mining village. Today it's best known as the starting point for walks up the Helvellyn, one of England's most famous mountains. And on a clear day like today, the views around here are some of the finest in the national park. The village of Patterdale sits on one of the most dramatic valleys in the Lake District. For centuries, this valley was one of the main routes used by travellers crossing the mountains, and today it's a favourite destination for walkers, cyclists and of course motorcyclists. This is where the road begins to change character. The valley narrows, the gradients increase, and the scenery becomes more dramatic with every mile. You can really feel the landscape beginning to rise around you. Kirkstone Pass reaches almost 1,500 feet above sea level. It's the highest road pass in the Lake District, open to regular traffic, and for generations this has been one of Britain's most celebrated driving and riding roads. The road follows an ancient route that has connected these valleys for hundreds of years, and as the climb steepens, it's easy to understand why this road has become a favourite amongst motorcyclists. Every bend reveals another spectacular view. Nearing the summit, if you took a look behind you, you'll see the entire valley stretching away towards Ullswater. It's one of those views that reminds you of why people travel all over the world to visit the Lake District. The stone formation that gives Kirkstone Pass its name can be seen near the summit. Locals thought it resembled a church, giving rise to the name Kirkstone. At nearly 1,500 feet, we're standing on one of the highest road crossings in England. On a clear day, you can see it for miles across the surrounding fells and valleys. This is one of those places where every rider ends up stopping for a photograph. Apart from us. And now comes the road with one of the best names anywhere in Britain, The Struggle. And if you've ever ridden it, you understand exactly how it got that name. This is now a road that links Kirkstone Pass with Ambleside and is famous for its steep gradients and tight bends. Some sections approach 20%, making it one of the steepest roads in the region. The road drops rapidly towards Ambleside. Every corner opens up another incredible view across the valley. Despite its challenging reputation, the Struggle is one of the most rewarding roads to ride in the entire Lake District. It demands concentration, but rewards you with unforgettable scenery. This is the sort of road that reminds you why motorcycling is about more than simply getting from A to B.
Don't know, big thing.
And after the open mountain roads, Ambleside feels vibrant and busy. The town has been welcoming visitors since the early days of tourism in the Lake District. Today is one of the most popular destinations in the national park. And that's where we bring our Lake District adventure to a close. Spectacular scenery, fantastic roads, historic villages, and some of the finest mountain riding anywhere in the UK. If you enjoyed the ride, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more motorcycle adventures on some of Britain's greatest roads. Until next time, ride safe.